Hi, in front of me is VIVO V23 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access security. Now tap on face section and enter your current login method. Following that, tap on Start Enrollment at the bottom, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then select OK at the bottom. Manage all of those options however you want to, and when you're ready, tap on Home button. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!